Too often, bedtime stories are the same, with the same characters and same adventure. Imagine a bedtime story where your child isn't just reading, they're the hero. Welcome to Photory. With Photory, you can create a personalized story in minutes. Upload your photos, choose your characters, select lesson, and let the AI bring your story to life. Here are some examples of some stories that have been brought to life with Photory. Creating stories with Photory is easy. The first step is to set the stage for your story, where you enter the child's name, the story theme, the lesson or value that this story is going to impart. Next, we cast the roles for the story. Here, your child can be the hero, the star of the story. Here, we're adding Emma as our main character. We can also add optional family members as part of the story. The next item that we'll be looking at is choosing the illustrative style, and there's 5 different illustrative styles that are available. The next item we do is to preview the actual character. So here's our first magical generation of character in the watercolor style. And if we're not happy with this, we can generate another character in the same watercolor style. So this is something a little bit different. Or we can go and we can generate it using a different type of treatment. So this is Emma in the 3D or Pixar illustrative style. And we can also choose other types of styles. Once we get a style that we're happy with, we go and generate the story. Once this is done, you have your very own story. It's now a story with your child as the hero of the story. And voila! In minutes, you now have an additional story to add to your child's library of stories. One last feature to show you is that the offline story management. In addition to being stored in the cloud, the stories can also be stored locally in your device's browser, so they're available for offline use. You can see how much space is taken up, and you can delete ones that are not required. So, that was a quick look at Photory, the bedtime story application that transforms your pictures into magical stories that have your child as the center of the story. So, visit us at Photory.com and sign up to join the waiting list to be notified when Photory becomes available to the public and be the first to start creating wonderful magical memories with your children using Photory.